I had been a fantastic e-learning experience with online internship at Evision. I had joined in 21st April 2022 with highly professional experienced trainers within the enriched IT domain. I am Mahendra Bhaiyaa Dhande from Chandrapur Maharashtra. I completed my BE in Electrical Engineering from KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur in the year of 2021. I had wonderful support team that provides super support in all aspects for the successful completion of job OJT program. I got selected in ACC Cement Gugus with salary offer 2.5 LPA. It not just the doubt and problem solving at online classes, but also empathic and unlimited one-on-one sessions to support on completion of assignments and projects and all doubts clearance. Provides a great positive attitude towards the course in the minds of e-learner. Thank you so much, Evision, for the greater opportunity to me. So please keep joined as soon as possible to Evision. Thank you.